Hi everyone, welcome back to Shib. Please take note of this important Shiba Inu signal as there are significant losses coming up. One of the most well-known meme currencies in the cryptocurrency space is Shiba Inu. Since the burn feature was added earlier this year, the burn rate of Shiba Inu has been rising, as seen by the Shiba Inu burn tracker. Shib burn. In this video, we'll talk about paying attention to this crucial Shiba Inu indicator, major losses, incoming Shib news. And don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado. Yesterday, the Shiba Inu burn rate increased by more than 1,000% in just one day. This time, 268 M160 328 Shib have been sent to UNP spendable wallets and are locked there permanently. Now let's start the video. Shiba Inu price action has not moved much between bears and bulls, instead vacillating between the two extremes of the trading spectrum. It is odd to see such muted price reaction as bulls seek to stage a breakout and trigger a rally away from the trend line. It has taken until the weekend to finally see a sense of direction. Taking these factors into account against the current volatile week in financial markets points to an issue. That issue is that Shib price action is broken, trading on low volume, and will soon be caught up with the trading reality. Global markets were literally on fire for almost 4 straight trading days as Shib price thus has some catching up to do on reality, as several asset classes have moved sharply while Shib price seems to be unfazed by the bulk moves that triggered markets from rolling over. One reason could be that the price action is still underpinned by 0.0000001011. But do not expect that to hold against a large list of tail risks that soon will start to weigh on Shib price action. Once that happens, expect a sharp decline towards 0.0000000712 and say goodbye to that 0.00100 barrier. Even if the Shib price can trade away from the red descending trend line, the next issue arises with the 55-day simple moving average coming up as the first price cap at 0.1245. If that one would not limit the rally, the 200-day SMA will certainly do that for the bears at 0.000015. As it did over the summer months. In September, the Shiba community burned about 1B743 M878 414 Shib using the Shib burn portal by 382 transactions and 410 trillion 381 B84 M462 4435. Shib have been burned from its initial supply. According to data from the SHBurn website, within 24 hours $267 million worth of Shib has burned, and there have been 9 burn transactions to dead wallets in Australia. On September 17th, for the first time, Shiba Eternity was available for purchase. On September 17th and 18th, the Shiba Inu saw an over 7% gain. Nevertheless, new information regarding the game's release may increase excitement even further. According to the official announcement, the highly anticipated Shiba Inu game will launch globally in a week. Shibu was trading at $0.000011 with a 24-hour trading volume of $280 M76792. Shib has a market cap of $6 billion according to CoinMarketCap. Shiba Eternity, a collectible card game by Shiba Inu, will be available globally beginning on October 6, 2022. The ecosystem's lead developer, Shoshir, had previously announced that he would release the game's plans on October 1, 2022. The Shib team had previously stated in a September 23 Twitter Space event that Shiba Eternity's download day would be October 1. Despite the change in download day, the community still hopes to push Shiba Eternity to the top ranking of all apps on the App Store, giving the card game enormous exposure. Currently, the game developers are holding a trailer contest in which participants are required to record a 30-second video preview of the application. In the meantime, according to recent data from the cryptocurrency analytics company Wall Stats, whales using Ethereum continue to accumulate more Shib tokens because it is still their preferred token to buy. The volume of transactions involving Shib tokens rose to approximately $23.50 million on September 28. If the Shiba Eternity's download day's expectation is met, the price of the SHIB may rise even further, according to a series of messages posted on Twitter by Lucy Sinova. Lead developer of aka Gossip Shib Shiba Inu, Shoshiro Kazama, disclosed new information regarding the use of proceeds from the Shiba Eternity game and the role of Shibaria. According to the anonymous developer, a portion of the proceeds will be invested to support the community in the long run. He also stated that a portion of the proceeds will be sent to non-profit organizations that work toward good causes without expecting anything in return, though he did not specify the percentages for these projects. He claims that they will receive at least 45% of the game's earnings, with an additional 5% going for burns, according to the Crypt Basic article. The remaining 50% of the proceeds, according to Kazama, will be used as a trade secret to make sure the game performs well against the competition. Notably, the community will vote for startups they want the network to invest in. The community is aware of how 50% of the proceeds will be used. Voting will be done by Bone, as stated by Doggy DAO. Kusama observes, however, that in order to honor Shoshiro holders in addition, Kuzama has stated that Shoshiro holders who are unable to lease their holdings would still receive consolation prizes. All of this will take place on Shabam. Holders of Shoshiro will be able to lease their holdings to players of the blockchain version of the game in order to earn rewards. Bears pointing out that Kazama has now released the story for the cart collection game, which includes Tales of Evolutionary Species and Interplanetary AR Wars. The developer also mentioned, as highlighted by Gossip Shib in a different tweet, that the game is open-ended, meaning that creators can always add features as the game develops. In particular, the Shiba Inu card collection game has only been released in 3 countries thus far: Venezuela, Indonesia, and Australia, but it has already received a rating of 4.9 out of 5, according to a report from Crypto Basic at the end of the previous month. The game's new launch date is October 6, which is approximately 3 days from now. The new update to the Shiba Inu ecosystem is expected to provide scalability and cut gas expenses for everyone, particularly on the gaming side. This is great news for the community and should help to make the platform even more popular, though it's unclear if this will be enough for the coin to gain traction. Kama keeps pleading with the community to download the game en masse on the day of launch. Gather Rally: the price has dropped from its most recent peak on September 10 by 25.6%, which is concerning given the recent increase in interest rates and the announcement of rising year-over-year inflation. The current trend may indicate more economic difficulties in the future. However, it is anticipated that the token will see a relief rally, with the 0.138 price range serving as support. This range marks a significant increase from the token's September 21 low, suggesting that the market is beginning to recover. The previous decline at 0.001192 represents resistance. If the bulls can break through this level, it may indicate that there will be more price increases. Because the SHIB token is built on Ethereum, its value is impacted by the ecosystem's volatility, which might be amplified in the present market conditions and result in a collapse in the token's value. That concludes today. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent content. The financial markets have been declining recently, but if they rebound soon, we can expect SHIB to do well too. SHIB is a reliable indicator of market trends, so if the markets start to improve, we expect SHIB to follow suit.